Welcome to the ultimate walkthrough of Enjin Wallet, a premier solution for managing cryptocurrencies and NFTs. This video will explore the features that make Enjin Wallet a favorite among crypto enthusiasts. Enjin Wallet is a secure, easy-to-use mobile application for managing your crypto and digital collectibles. After downloading the app, you'll be greeted with a clean interface allowing you to create or import an existing wallet seamlessly. You'll notice that security is paramount, with options like biometrics and advanced encryption protecting your assets. Setting up your wallet is straightforward. Tap Create Wallet and follow the steps to generate your recovery phrase. It's crucial to store this phrase securely, as it's the key to accessing your wallet if you lose your device. Once your wallet is set up, you'll have access to various supported cryptocurrencies, including BTC, ETH, and Enjin. Enjin Wallet shines in its NFT capabilities. Users can store, send, and receive NFTs directly from the wallet. Whether you're an avid gamer or a collector, this feature ensures that your digital items are safe and easily accessible. The integration with Enjin's blockchain ensures smooth and transparent NFT transactions. For crypto traders, the in-app exchange feature is a game changer. You can seamlessly swap one cryptocurrency for another without leaving the app. The interface is intuitive, offering competitive rates and quick transaction times. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Enjin Wallet also supports token importing and custom tokens, enabling you to manage even the most obscure crypto assets. The inbuilt app browser lets you explore decentralized applications and games, extending the utility of your wallet. Enjin Wallet prioritizes user convenience by offering multi-language support, which is ideal for a global audience. Additionally, its customer service is top-notch, with prompt responses and comprehensive FAQs for troubleshooting. If you're looking to send funds, the wallet supports QR code scanning, ensuring speed and accuracy. Transaction histories are also detailed and transparent, helping you track your activities with ease. Sign up now using the link in the description https://lnk.do/jkukoif and get a bonus for new users. This wallet is perfect for anyone looking to manage crypto assets and NFTs with ease and security. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video for more comprehensive guides on the best crypto tools and wallets.